Hi! So I am going to be showing you how to download Zoom meetings so you can join all of our online classes. So moving over here, this is zoom.us/meetings, or you can type in zoom.us and it'll show up. Up here at the top it says resources. We want to download Zoom client, so we're going to click on that. And then if you have a specific Microsoft Outlook computer, you could download this, but this will work on almost all computers. Once you click download,
use that top link.
Yeah, use that top one. On my computer, it shows down here on the bottom. On your computer, it might also show up here by the star. So just be aware of where it's downloading. And then I'm going
It'll be in your downloads folder on both Windows and Mac.
Oh, it's downloading still. Still downloading.
No, it doesn't want to run it because you already have it installed on your computer.
No, Alex uninstalled it.
Oh, okay.
Let me try it again. Maybe I tried to open it too soon. There it is. Open. And now it is installing. So essentially whatever questions pop up, I'm just going to press OK or accept. It can make changes to the computer. And wow, this is so exciting.
And now it's there.
And now it's there. So you can sign in and create an account. You can go back to this page and you can create an account as well.
You don't even need to create an account, though.
You don't.
All you need to do at that point is click the link that we send you on the same computer that you've installed Zoom on.
Yes.
And it'll automatically join the meeting. Or if you hit join meeting.
Yep. And that's what I did. It'll ask you to enter the meeting ID and then the password that's provided in the email with the supply list. And then once you click join, you'll go into our lobby. And then we'll add you in once the class starts. I think that's it. It's kind of easy.
Very nice. Yeah, no problem.